Hi, welcome. I'm Sneaks. I'm an engineer with ChainSafe. I'm here to help you get your game up and running on the blockchain. All right, so we've got a Unity thing here. What, Unity Hub thing? Yep, cool, sweet. So press new project. Select 3D and give your project a name. We're gonna call ours test. And we're gonna let that boot up.
A few moments later.
All right, once that's booted up, you'll have this screen here. And we need to install the SDK. So we can do that by going to github.com/chainsafe/web3.unity/releases and just downloading the package here. Once you've downloaded that, just open it up and it should import into Unity. Any second, there we go. Press import. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to set up our scenes so that it's happy for the build. So once that's loaded in, come down to web3.unity, press scenes, and open up web login. Just make sure that's the right one. Yep. So what you want to do is you press file, build settings, add open scenes, and change the project over to WebGL. Just press switch platform here. Once this is done, we need to set the template, which we can do by pressing player settings and web3gl 2020x. Close that off. And you just want to press scenes again, open up your sample scene, press build settings again, and add open scenes, just so we've got them both here, otherwise the build won't recognize them once it's built out. Right, from there, all you do is press Ctrl+B for build, and it'll give you a local build. It may ask you to choose a file. If it does that, just create one on the desktop. We're going to call ours test build. Select that, and away we go. Additionally, I should show you, if you wanted to change your network, you can press scripts here in the web3.unity folder. Just open up any script, open it up in your IDE. And then what you want to do is press WebGL templates, WebGL 2020x, network.js, and you can set your network here for the chain ID. And you can see you've got a few example chains here, but if your chain is EVM compatible, it's most likely going to work. So give it a go. All right, once that's built, you'll have a scene like this in your browser. You can press login. It'll prompt your MetaMask to select your account and press connect. And then once you're connected, it'll go to the second scene that we added in the build settings there. Yeah, that all works. Secondly, we have a demo that's live at chainsafe.github.io/chainsafe-demo. Same thing again, like you can just put some graphics in to make it look pretty cool. And the purpose of this demo here is to just show you how the SDK functions, as well as like adding a play to earn element. So you can see we collect coins. And so for example, if you had a contract that had a variable, you can open up your console, you can come into here and check the variable. See it's 326. You can press increase. It'll ask you to sign because it's a state change. You need to pay gas for a state change. And then once we sign it, we wait a few seconds just for the chain to process it. Just check variable. One more time. 327, see it's increased there. So yeah. Happy coding and thanks for checking it out.